She can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. It's looking crazy Sunday, but we gonna fix our hair. Today's sponsor is Sunber Hair and Dare to Shine. First time working with this company. We are gonna see what's inside. Ooh, it's dressed to impress, okay? We're gonna impress. All right, so in the box we have bright colors, of course, nails. We have wig cap, edge band, a bag for the wig to store, and the wig is secure. And we're gonna go inside and see the mystery. Let's go see the mystery. I'm a bit chilly, guys. I'm in a sweater. I'm a bit chilly. Alright, the hair is secure. Okay, look at that curl. Okay. Oh, girls, listen. Look how bouncy, bounce. I think this is the first I've received a pattern curl like this. Like, it is so precise. Look at the curls. Oh, and I love the color. All right, this is a pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything lace wig. The knots is bleach. It's a very much breathable cap, like I love. You can basically see through the cap and the quality feels good. Okay. We have a band which is adjustable, of course, and you already know I love me wigs with a comb. And then we have it to be snug on the head. Okay. All right, and then we also have another adjustable that the wig is made with, where you can tighten the wigs. Okay, this is one end and one end is right here. I love that. The closure is wide enough, there's enough space, and I'm wondering, how am I gonna do this? I love the color of it though, and how bouncy the curls are. Yes, girl. Anyway, we're gonna get into this and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about this wig. First, I'm gonna prep my hair, so I will be back. Let's put on the cap and see how the wig fits. Honestly, this is hours later. It's not when I just showed you guys the wig. It's literally hours later. So I'm gonna see how this looks. I did add a bit makeup on the cap and some on the wig. So let's see. So we're gonna make this unit glueless, obviously, because of how it looks. I will not add any makeup to it. We are just gonna go in. I'm gonna turn on the hot comb. And then we're gonna see how I'm gonna style this unit. But I like it. The curls are given, easy on. You know, all you need is a hot comb to kind of finesse it. If you're a person who don't know how to wear a wig, that's all you can do. So I'm gonna plug up the hot comb and then I'm gonna come back. But definitely glueless. Yes.
Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, baby, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wow, wow. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over, I know you got the run. Oh, take me under, I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, my makeup is done. So we're gonna see how this lace is. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's it right there. We're gonna comb it out because I did my makeup, so we're gonna see how we are gonna do.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
It's glueless, okay? It is. Let's do the test. Let's do the test. It's glueless. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna definitely put it on the side. We're gonna see how it looks, but let's get into a little bit of slow-mo. Like when you have to, when you don't have to. Guys, I was just feeling that real, and I will be posting it. Okay, now tell me why I do have a photo shoot and I want to wear back this wig for it. Guys, the wig is glueless. Like, come on, what are you waiting on? I know I'm not getting rid of this one, but I really want to show you guys how we can freelance this hair. Yes, versatility. Okay, once more, again. Sunber here, yes.
This is now pirate.
Alright guys, so we made a side part, very simple, very demure. We gotta be mindful. It is super cute. So Sunber here. Thank you once more for sponsoring this video, guys. The link will be down below. Check it for the wig, for their website. First time working with them, I'm impressed, okay? When you get a pre-curl wig that is bouncy and doesn't lose the curl, you can literally use your fingertips to freelance the curl. Nothing beats that. I love it. I love the pre-highlights, the pre-bouncy curls, the beautiful color of this wig. Yes, it is beautiful. Glueless, let's not forget that. And we have to give you guys 2 beautiful final displays. Look at this. Even behind my shoulder, it's giving. I love it. Okay? Yes. So thank you once more for sponsoring this video. Sunber here. And I guess we be working again, girl. We be working again, because I will see you guys in the next one. So cute. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description. The links will be there. You need it. It's Glueless.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay